Happy New Year. So I wanted to get a new mug for the season, and I really wanted to get one that had like a townhouse scene on it. I saw a few mugs that I liked, but I really wanted a hand-painted look to it. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. The colors always look really muted before they go into the kiln, so I get to pick that up in a few days. I'm very excited about it. We'll see what it looks like. And to kick off the new year, I'm going to be working on another dollhouse. This is going to be a little bit different though. I want to do a mouse house. I kept seeing this year Melee dollhouses, and it's this company that makes houses and furniture, and they make these little mice dolls, and it's super adorable. And I was in a new store downtown a few weeks ago, and they had a display of them, and it just inspired me to do my own. So I ordered some little mice. They're actually little mice ornaments that were on clearance now that Christmas is over. I got a little baker and then a lady with a bouquet of flowers. And I was going to make the house out of cardboard, but then I saw on Amazon they have this house puzzle that you can put together, and it comes with a bunch of furniture. And from the reviews and the pictures, it actually looks like a very decent tiny little dollhouse. So that's coming in the mail tomorrow. But today I want to go look for some supplies. I'm going to go to the dollar store, a thrift store, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. And here it is. It's about 14 inches wide, which is small, but I think that it's gonna be a cute little cottage when I'm done with it. And there's only 45 pieces to the puzzle, so it should be pretty simple to put together. Hopefully they just pop out, because I did put together a vintage dollhouse one year a long time ago, and I hated every second of it because it just kept breaking every time I tried to take a piece out. But I'm excited to put that together. And I also have the furniture here. I don't think I'm going to use all of the furniture. I probably won't even put that together today, just because I'm going to be making a lot of my own furniture. I might use a few pieces, like the beds look pretty good. I might use the dining set. I really like this stove. Has a very cottage look to it. I want the dollhouse to have a very cottagey feel. I'll put the links to everything down below. With a coupon, it was only like $30 for this kit. And I think that if you get it without furniture, it's even cheaper, like $20, $25. I also bought a bundle of scrap fabric. I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger, but since it's gonna be a cottage style, I wanted a bunch of floral fabrics in there. So I think they're gonna make cute little pillows or curtains and bedding. So I'm gonna build that today, and I'm hoping that next week I will have the exterior on it done. I have some coconut fiber coming in the mail. It'll be here later this week, and I wanna try to attempt to make a little thatched roof. And then I'll start working on each individual little room. So this is my New Year's Eve plans. A wooden dollhouse puzzle, books, and cats. This sweater is so pilled. 1 minute. Pill free. The pillagers have come. That's such a bad joke.